All right, Aries gang, how y'all doing out there today, boo? Now let's see what's coming out these cards for you today. I feel good. I feel like something big is about to happen. Let's see. Now I might need these books. Let me see. Let me keep them out. Let's see. Let me see. I think I want to start out with these cards today. I did get me some new decks. I can't wait till they come. You know? Put on some different energy. Now, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. Now, do leave it in the chat and tell me where everybody is tuning in from. That is so exciting to me. I be getting people all around the world. The UK. Even ones close to me. Listen. Now, we have entrance coming out. Now, it could be a relationship because relationship is here. You might be entering something new, and it could be any type of relationship. Could be a work relationship, could be an intimate relationship, could be a friendship. Something new. Listen, we all need somebody that we can talk it out through, you know? Sometimes it's good to have a listening ear. Now, this is your card. And we have Heal and Chiron. This is always good for me. Healing is good. Now, it made me pay attention to the snake. You see that? I didn't know that was associated with the snake. However, the snake is good. It's not a bad thing. It's almost representative of the healing symbol. I like that. Kundalini rising. The serpent. It's giving me crown chakra activation. Third eye. Yep. Communication. Now your communication skill might get lit. Yeah, in the third house. You know how sometimes you see people out here that start platforms and you go back and you look at some of their previous videos and you be like, wow, look how they grew. Something like that might be going on here. You done perfected your little craft. Now, it doesn't necessarily have to be that, but it could be in relationships. You know what I'm saying? Communication. A little, you fight fair. You know? You're not quick to response. Something about relationship changes. You know? Learning from those past woes. You know? Taking a different approach. Doing something different. You know? Growing up. Being mature about this. Being mature about these things. Now, this could be in current relationships where you can test some of these new found skills about, you know, since you have been growing out here. Yeah. You got listen coming out. Now, this is telling you to really listen to what's being said as you enter in these relationships. Not ignoring the red flags, boo. Paying attention. You know? You kind of, setting the scene for future references. You know, sometimes people show up as the representative. You gotta give them time. You gotta head out, boo. You know? But I do see success and growth. Now, it's something in regards to your healing. Listening, paying attention, because this is 28 and this is 28. Y'all know I'm a numbers person. And I pay attention to these things. Well, actually, Spirit be having me to pay attention to it because the numbers all the way down here. I had to actually put my head down there to see it. Look at this. 2 cards. Yeah. Now I see a new lease out on life. Now this is the year of the 8. We got 0 here. Shine and joy and stability is here. Now the Leo does represent, the ego. And joy and stability was just giving me that growth, because this is that Ace of Pentacles. Trust. And look at you looking at the sun, the source, headed north, following the voice of your inner soul, I want to say, coming up out of helpless and hopeless. And this is a child here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Getting to the root of some situations here. Right here with the base chakra. Yeah, taking the lead. As I'm talking to Aries. This is the number 1. It's so funny, huh? And look at all the red, that passion. That's you, boo. Now you got shine, the word shine out here twice. Shine and shine. 2 very different numbers. I mean, yeah, this is 19. However, a new beginning, transition, 1 and 9. Yeah, and this is 9. So you could be saying 9-9, or you could be saying 28. 9-28 might have something to do with somebody. Don't necessarily have to though. It could. Yeah. Let me see. Let's see. I think I want to pull from a little bit of tarot before I move on to any other oracle. Let me just see. What's going on here? Look at the ego. That line is showing up for y'all. But it do look like you got some type of wish fulfillment. Entrance. And listen. Now let's see what the challenge is, because I always like to pay attention to the challenge as well as the gift, but the challenge. Now this is telling you to take, charge, jump into motion, but stay in the driver's seat. You know what I'm saying? Don't let nobody sway you off, your desired direction. Again, do not ignore the red flags, you understand? Don't let nobody take over the conversation or whatever this situation is that you're entering into. Know your worth. Now, why am I reading 22? This is crazy. Even though this is Mars in motions, I guess that was important because I'm on 35, y'all. Why am I reading that? It's so crazy. I'm reading it. However, don't take it away from that because I guess it's important. Now the entrance card. Now this is telling you to pay attention to how you see the world. Take a long look at your assumptions and perceptions through which you filter your experience and reality in regards to whatever these wishes are. Now, I think this has a lot to do with because I'm just looking at all this yellow that's showing up here. You know, because this is about your self-esteem. And maybe that's why I had to read out that little bit of that card and open up with what I said in regards to knowing your worth. You know, because the ego, damn, you got 8-8 here. Something major is about to happen. 88 is infinite possibilities. In the year of the 8, the 8-8 portal. Listen, we riding that thing all the way out until we move into next year. Stay the course, because something is about to pay off. Stay the course, because something is about to pay off. Now, the challenge is the front door is only one part of the house. Be willing to look beyond appearances into the heart, but don't count on others' ability to do so too. And again, I'm telling you, pay attention to the representative that's showing up. You know, everybody come in with smiles and eyes. Like Tara Banks. But sometimes that might be a good sign though. I don't know. I like smiles and eyes. You know, but people have a good gift to gab. Pay attention, you know, to actions versus the words sometimes, you know. Now, the gift is over time, your reputation is built on what you do, not how you look. Again, peep the game, boo. Peep it. Peep it. You know? Sometimes, you know, we fall in love with the ideal of people and the potential that they could exhibit versus what they got. All right? Yeah, you might see the potential, but do they see the potential? Now we have the Hierophant with entrance. Now this is entering, you know, the world again. However, this is telling you to pay attention to how you filter the world. This has a lot to do with beliefs, organizations, collaborations, education. Yeah. Some of these old, outdated beliefs, you might need to call judgment on it. Yeah, there you go. Bring it to an end, boo. There's the new door. 12 swords. This is all about your mental, your third eye, how you filter. This is about perception. It's a new door. It's a new reality. Jumping timelines. That's what you're doing. You ain't staying stuck back there in caveman land with the rest of these fools, all right? You're moving on. Yeah, there you go. 13. You can't make it up. 10, 12, 13. Evolution. Growing up. Time to shine. Aries, you got a tough job. You got to show the rest of those fools how it's done. No pressure, though. No pressure, boo. No pressure. Cross-watchers, listen, I'm sorry. But it is what it is. Listen, when you want something done, who you go to? An Aries, right? And you got the battle is won right here on Shine and Heal. Yeah, this is you walking away. Now, maybe old things that you thought you wish you wanted, you're paying attention to it. I think you're changing your mind on some of the things that you thought you wanted. You're going into something new. Something new and true and just for you. Yeah, there you go right there. This is something new. This is what you're riding into. Something new. Some type of work. You're looking at it. Joy and stability with shine right there on the ego. Gee, you showing up. Look at all the wands. Look at that. Look at that. There, it's cups and swords, but it's also 13 again. Moving through. You know, maybe healing some past family issues. Yeah, this is learning something. Investments. But you're holding your sword. You got a lot of wisdom, boo. I see you healing from some past family issues as well. Everything stems from your childhood. You know, the program, education, yeah. Challenging some of these things, beliefs. Yeah, you know my motto. Learn everything and conform to nothing. You know? Learn it all. I see a tower. I see the Ace of Swords. I see the Ace of Pentacles. Something coming to the light. This is curiosity. Now this could be your own curiosity. Understanding the law of the land. Dharma, karma. Yeah. Four Wands. Joy and stability. Yeah, and you see how the King of Wands and that right there is behind him? Lined up with the ego. Standing up for yourself. Now, this does represent the home, you know, family reunions and things of that nature, but, you know, you could be standing up for that. Generational curse breaker. Yeah. I told you, you got to show these fools how it's done. But, yeah, this is you walking away. Look at the elevation from the 5 to the 6. You understand? Look, we got 5, 6, 7 there. That's how it's done. Yeah. Yeah. That's the swords, the mind, the currency, the energy, the elevation to the wands. Yeah. All representing you. All these wands down here. Yeah. What's this you? I like it. I like it. There you go. That's spiritual ascension, death and a rebirth, entrance, something new. And I think it has a lot to do with this. Dang, look at that. Somebody's voice is about to be activated. Anytime you see the sword, it's all about talking, communication. And it's still next to each other. Something you're learning about this. This is about, you know, this is the age of discovery for me. This is the page dependent. This is, you know, learning. However, it's unexpected income, but it could be that too, because I see you working down here. Heal. Finances could be healing. But it's something in regards to this. You know, any pain associated with the family. Yeah. Let me see. Ooh, look at that elevation. Look at that. We got the Hangman on listen and entrance. Now this is a lot of introspection going on. Wow. Look at all that. I'm trying. What is this about? Now I just see an elevation in this regard, but what is? I'm wondering why the 5 is, after that. But maybe this is your focus. Hmm. Now this could just be a baby mama or mother. It could be some money situations going on. But I see a comeback. I do see some type of battle that went on because the 6 of Wands is here. It always indicates some type of victory. And you're riding into something new. So there could have been some loss, but I see a comeback. Because on the wish fulfillment is a death card. Like, it's something that may have once was a wish. It's no longer. There's some contemplation going on. There's a new door. But I think it's going to make you abundant. Look at the little fat cat sitting up there. With a little moo-moo on. Listen, man or woman. And where is that card? Then we have Venus energy at the bottom of the deck. What? Let me see. Where is it at? Where did I put the card at? What was it? Oh, communication. That's key here. Now we got the 6 on the 6. Now 66 could be significant. But something in regards to your past, you're healing from. Whatever that was. And 666. Yeah, look at that. And we seen the King of Pentacles, didn't we? And the High Priestess is here. Now, this is really giving me a gift. And it's really giving me generational curse breaker as well. Because they go to family again. They go to 9. And they go to High Priestess. And they go to Queen. Yeah, Judgment. There's the 12 again. 12, the new door. Movement. There's some type of elevation going on. Now, I must say that even though we want to heal some of these family situations, that's not always feasible, doable. Sometimes you gotta love people from a distance. I know it's painful, but maybe that's one scenario here. That ego keeps showing up, boo. That lion. Look, that's your hard work paying off, healing. Right here on the 8 of Pentacles, Could be some challenges there. Stressed out. But something is about to pay off. There go the news. There go the communication. 8, 9. The page to the 4. That's something coming in from the Most High. Action, choices, yeah. You're making good choices, boo. This is it's about the road less traveled, but it's working. You got healed. You got shine down here twice. Joy and stability. Right here. This is some type of reunion. But let's see what's going to come out on it. I did see the Five of Wands. See you standing up for yourself, dedicated to the effort. You know, this is never giving up. Seven of Wands in alignment. They go to Tower. Right there on the King of Wands, which is you, on shine. Now that Tower is something unexpected in regards to this. But it's on joy and stability. Let me see. Something is over. And that's the new door. That's the new door. And some money problems. I see some type of surprise, a manifestation. This is something new. It keeps showing up in regards to it's over. I want to pull out a few more cards. Let me see. Because you at the bottom of the deck. Yeah, you're moving forward. Patience. All right, Spirit. Strength, power, which is not telling me a whole lot. I want to see something. I need more information. Self-trust. Patience and protection. How about that for the PP? We did see patience and protection. You know? Okay. I wanted to know what that was talking about. We got the Tower. Yeah. But let me see something. Trust yourself. Trust. Yeah. There's another Tower. Even though they fresh. Let me see. Yeah. Now we got Mama Gaia coming out here. The book. As well as choices. Now there is some secrets because, you know, anytime it shows up against the sun, right here with shine, you look at all these yellow cards, that's the sun. Right next to the Mother Earth. I think it's going to be some choices. However, it's the master builder number. And it's a new door. Something that's about to take you over this bridge. Yeah, I'm just looking at this, peeking out. There's somewhere else you're going, boo. Something else is going on. I don't know where you're going, but you're going somewhere. Alright, darling. Now, tell me where you're from. Tell me if it resonates. Leave me some hearts, some turtles, some whales, or some type of animal creature in the comment section. And I'll see you on the next one. And good luck. Love you.